viewers, welcome to Langu Delay YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see what is speed, distance and time. Here the formula for speed, distance and time are mentioned here. The three elements are interrelated to each other. Here you can see by seeing the diagram you can easily memorize the formulas. Here the three elements are placed in a triangle. The distance is placed on the top of the triangle and speed and time is placed in the same row. You can see the formulas also. It is like that only. For distance formula, speed into time. For speed, distance by time, and time, distance by speed. In this way you can easily memorize the formulas by practicing this triangle. And now let us see the unit conversions. If you want to convert the kilometers per an hour speed to meters per second speed, then multiply the value given to 5 by 18. That in here you see the example. The value is given, that is 72. If we multiply 72 into 5 by 18, then you got meters per second value. Like this. If we want to convert meters per second to kilometers per an hour, then use this, that is 18 by 5. Here you see the example for this. For converting meters per second to kilometers per hour, multiply 18 by 5 to the given value. Here let's see an example problem. If a car travels at a speed of 40 kilometers per an hour, at what time the car reaches the distance of 120 kilometers. Here they give the distance and speed. We have to calculate the time. The distance is 120 kilometers and speed is 40 kilometers per hour. Formula is distance by speed. By substituting the distance and speed values here like this, we can calculate the time. The time equal to 3 hours. Therefore, the conclusion, the car takes 3 hours to reach the distance 120 kilometers at the speed of 40 kilometers per hour. In this way, you can find the time, distance, and speed. Hope you understand this video. If you understand this video, then give a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. Thank you.